In this video, we're diving into the URL mapping feature, a tool designed to help you hide paths or files in the front-end source code that might reveal your WordPress CMS. While this isn't a security feature, it's perfect for those who want to disguise the use of WordPress from theme detectors. A recommended solution to further hide file names in the front-end source code is to install plugins like Lightspeed or Autoptimize. By enabling the CSS Combine and JS Combine options, these plugins group multiple files into a single unique file, making it harder to identify individual resources. Now, let's look at how to use the URL mapping feature. To change a URL, simply add the original URL on the left side and your custom URL on the right side. If you're mapping an entire path and not just a single URL, WP Ghost will automatically change all files within that path to the custom one you've specified. Keep in mind, don't add common WordPress paths in this section. For those, use the Change Paths section, which offers added security options for common WordPress paths. Remember, the URL mapping feature allows you to customize paths that are already set up in the Change Paths section. This helps keep everything consistent and under your control. Once you've made all your changes, be sure to save your settings and clear any cache. Then, check your website's front end to make sure the paths have been updated correctly and that everything is functioning smoothly. That's it. You're now ready to use the URL mapping feature in WP Ghost to hide those paths and keep your website looking clean and secure.